Hi, and welcome to the channel. Today's video is going to be a Decorate a Lantern collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. There are also several other co-hosts. We have Event Decor Designs by Leasha, Glam Elegant Living. We have Decorating with Jazigreen. We have Debbie Bubbles. We have Lady Cinnamon, Amethyst Adventures, the Rodgers House, and Penny's Lifestyle Living. I'll have each lady's link in the description box, so make sure you check them out along with the other participants in the collaboration. So, as the title stated, decorate a lantern. So I'm going to show you how I decorate a fall lantern using items that I already have around the house. So before we get into that, if this is your first time dropping in, I hope that you see something that inspires you to become part of the JS family. So please hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, and I surely appreciate it. So grab you a snack, grab you a beverage, and let's get into this. So here, you guys, we have items that I'm going to use in my lantern, items that I already have. I have some fall leaves. I have some yellow florals here that I got from the Dollar Tree. I have these fall looking flowers that I found in my stash. I also have some beads, and I have this decorative piece that I also have. And of course the lantern. So these are the things that I'm going to use to put this together. And I will give it a short little tweak, so make sure to watch till the end.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope that you saw something that inspired you to create some awesome looks. And you know how I like to close out. I love you from your toes to your soul. And until next time, stay safe and blessed.